iSpine International Spine Academy
is an educational forum for academics. We focus on small group education, workshops, lectures, and mentorship program. The Spine Bootcamp is the first of its kind in training in India. If you look at various fields like the military, they are put through so many tests in order to be able to defeat the enemy. Similarly, in the operation theatre, the surgeon is exposed to so many problems, and it's a place where precision is very important. Gone are the days when surgeons can learn from mistakes. So the focus of the Spine Bootcamp was to create an environment where people can fail, make mistakes, and learn from these mistakes. During the Spine Bootcamp, we created lectures, workshops, and scenarios, and also communication skills where people can learn and do mistakes. For example, one of the stations was a microscope, where we kept microscopes for people to learn how to use them, how to handle it, how to troubleshoot if there was a problem. Similarly, there were 16 workstations which involved the various equipments that we use in the operation theatre, like a neurodrill, navigation, C-arm, sealants that we use, the dural substitutes that we use, the ultrasonic curators, and various other equipments. We also created operation theatre with the entire setup as would be in a real situation, and we had doctors perform various procedures, how they position, how they keep the C-arm microscope within the theatre, and created an atmosphere where they can learn how to do certain things. We also had various communication areas and communication skill stations where people learn how to communicate to patients. For example, breaking bad news, how to consent a patient for a specific procedure, how to deal with a difficult patient, and also about how to refuse a surgery and how to try to make a patient understand when there is a neurological deficit post-operatively. These candidates were put through various stations where they could sit down, discuss with the patient, actors, and these were recorded and shown back to them. This was the first of its kind in India, and we are very pleased to say that it was very successful. We had 40 delegates and 10 faculty. It was appreciated and the feedback was excellent.
This was the first Spine Bootcamp conducted in India.
I think myself to be privileged to participate in such a program.
This is one of the best events that I have attended.
I'm starting from basic to the most advanced thing.
And I attended all the sessions. It's very useful.
It was totally different as compared to the conferences that I have attended in the past.
Spine surgeries as such. So this bootcamp was a major attraction for me because it concentrated mainly on the basic stuff which we as beginners will make mistakes in.
And I think this is a very good effort. We should do more often in it. These kind of things.
You're expecting for something exciting, you should definitely attend the Spine Bootcamp.
So this would not have been possible without the support of our faculty who had given up their time to attend.
We were taught how to communicate to the patient, how to communicate to the theatre staff, how to communicate to the industry.
To know about the equipments, about the instruments, about the basic things that they require in day-to-day practice, including their communication skills.
This initiative will go from strength to strength.
Has benefited not only the delegates and participants but also the faculty.
I learned a lot of things from the participants.
I think these kinds of programs should continue in the future.
And also the industry who supported and educated doctors. I always believe that the industry support is very essential, and there is a very clear transparency between the support of industry in terms of education. So this was found to be a huge benefit and a forum where the industry were able to not only show their products but also explain about products. The Spine Bootcamp was very successful, and we would like to take it to other cities in India. With all support, we hope to see you soon in a different city. Thank you very much, and I hope that we will see you in the next Spine Bootcamp.